In this short video, we'll be discussing paragraph writing. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of 10 to 15 sentences that focus on only one topic or idea. This is a sample paragraph about language learning. You can pause the video here and read through this paragraph. We'll be referring to it throughout the video. So what are the parts of a paragraph? We have three basic parts: the topic sentence, the supporting ideas and details, or the body of the paragraph, and then the concluding sentence. So basically you can think of a paragraph as a hamburger, with the topic sentence being the top bun, and then you have the body of the paragraph, which contains the supporting ideas and details, and then we have the bottom bun, which is the concluding sentence. The topic sentence is one sentence and only one sentence. Usually it's the first sentence of the paragraph, and it states the main idea of the paragraph for the reader. Topic sentence has two parts: the topic, which is the general subject, and then two or more controlling ideas, or what the paragraph will say about that general subject. So if we take a look at our sample paragraph, the topic sentence is highlighted here in yellow. Knowing more than one language can help people progress in their careers, gain an awareness of other cultures, and increase their understanding and knowledge of their own language. So we have the general topic, which is knowing more than one language. And then we have the controlling ideas. It helps people progress in their careers, gain an awareness of other cultures, and increase their understanding and knowledge of their own language. So this topic sentence has three controlling ideas. The next part is the body of the paragraph, which is usually 8 to 13 sentences long. It provides explanations that support the main idea of the topic sentence, and also examples. All the sentences in the body of the paragraph, they must support the topic sentence. So in our sample paragraph, this part that's in yellow highlighted is the body of the paragraph. And finally, we have the concluding sentence, which is one sentence that restates the topic sentence. In the concluding sentence, we use different words to restate the topic sentence. We don't copy the topic sentence. And also, we don't add any new information in the concluding sentence or after the concluding sentence of a paragraph. So in our sample paragraph, the very last sentence here, that starts with the transition word "in conclusion" is our concluding sentence. Let's talk a little bit about formatting a paragraph. The most important part of formatting a paragraph is the indentation. The indentation is this little space that we put at the beginning of the first sentence of the paragraph. So anytime you write a paragraph, whether it's writing by hand or typing it, you always have this little indentation here. Also, make sure that when you type your paragraph and when you handwrite your paragraph, you skip lines. Next, let's discuss the organization of a paragraph. So, we've talked about the three parts and the order of those three parts: the topic sentence, the body, and the concluding sentence. But even within the paragraph, there's ways that you need to organize the paragraph. So if we take a look at this topic sentence again, we see that we have three controlling ideas: help people progress in their careers, gain an awareness of their other cultures, and increase their understanding and knowledge of their own language. So if you look at this first controlling idea in orange highlight, that matches with this first part of the body paragraph, where the writer explains the idea of how languages help people progress in their careers, and the writer also provides examples of this. And then in green highlight, we have the second controlling idea, and that matches with this part of the paragraph, the green highlight. And then the last part here, in blue highlight, the third controlling idea is explained, and examples are given in this last part of the body of the paragraph. So you can see that there's a clear organization pattern when we write a paragraph. Another part of a paragraph that we need to consider when we're organizing the paragraph is transitional words or phrases. So in this paragraph, the writer uses the phrase, the first reason why it's important to know more than one language is that it provides job opportunities. So this phrase right here introduces the explanation of the first controlling idea. The second part, another reason that it is important to know more than one language is that it increases cultural awareness. So this is the transitional phrase that the writer is using to introduce the second controlling idea. And then the last controlling idea is introduced by finally. So we can either use phrases such as these two or single words. We want to mix up the variety of transitional words and phrases in our writing. So that's just a little bit about basic paragraph writing.